Hummer EV.
Hummer EV.
Very exciting to see it in person. A couple things I've noticed off the bat. It's not as big as I thought it would be, which is good.
Yeah.
But I thought it would be huge because it's a 9,000-pound vehicle. I believe it's not allowed on certain bridges because it's over the...
That is the most Hummer thing I can imagine, if I'm being honest with you.
The most excited feature, I think, is the crab walk.
Yep.
It can go sideways and whatnot. I've seen the commercials for it.
Honestly, it's a cool truck. I am uncomfortable in that I see a lot of kind of Rivian shape or a lot of Rivian inspiration. Not necessarily saying they drew from Rivian, but I see a lot of overlap there.
Yeah.
And maybe that's the nature of building an electric truck.
It's a truck. Yeah, it's a truck. Like how gimmick you want to make it. But I mean, I'm not sure this is the truck that I would get if I was looking for an electric truck. But I'm glad it exists because competition, right?
Honestly,
is always a good thing.
I'm glad it exists because it means manufacturers are building interesting cars again. Yeah. You know, in this era where everybody is buying just plain crossovers, it's cool to see manufacturers saying, sure, let's build something different and weird and see where it goes.
Yeah, for sure.